helping you discern between right and wrong like perhaps never before.
National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, southern King County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Plano, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Bristol, Warrenville, Plano, Oswego, Montgomery, Big. Protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And Waterman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.